Today we will show you how to enable or fix your YouTube microphone. Okay guys, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First go to this is here, just click to now to your microphone in your YouTube and click. Okay, you need now to enable your microphone. Okay, just 1 second, I will show you how to fix the microphone. Okay, when I now talk, just allow the while visiting this is the site. Okay, hello, how are you? Everything it's okay, it's now it's good. Yeah, did you see guys? Just now it's recording my audio, everything it's okay. Okay, when by my audio it's not working. Okay, it's not working like this. Maybe did you see? It's not working. Okay, just you can do like this and go like this here and change your microphone. Okay, if you don't have this, just go to manage and go to here and just click to add your microphone. Okay guys, just click like this. Okay, and go now to YouTube again, just close and open the your YouTube again and put now in the search and like this, hello, how are you? Like this guys, everything it's okay. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.